Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. When creating template documents, besides filling in the text as taught earlier, another common element to include is images. Today, we will introduce how to insert images using the Templater module. Many times, we need to insert images into documents. For example, in company documents, we may need to add the company's logo. This is where this feature comes in handy. Next, let's demonstrate how to insert images. First, we need to create a template document. You can open any DOCX generating document software and insert the following variable where you want the company logo to appear. This variable is enclosed by two % and starts with img. The position of this variable is where we want to insert the image. So if you need to insert multiple images, you can add multiple variables like this. Next, open EMILY in training mode, click on Import, and import the image you want to insert. Since we can only insert images from the working directory, make sure the image is located there. Then, select the Templater module and use Pick to choose the doc file you want to fill. In the code editor, write the code to insert the image. Here, output refers to the doc file we want to output, which is an object. Inside the square brackets of output, we specify the image variable in the Word document, and on the right side of the equal sign, we provide the name of the image file in the workspace. If you don't remember the image name, you can check the workspace. After filling in the code, click on Debug, then Test. If there are no error messages, it means the operation was successful, and you will see the workspace pop up. Open the Word file inside and check if the variables have been replaced with images. If you encounter the situation where the output file does not meet expectations, seeing undefined in the output file means that the variables in the template document have not been filled in by the program. You can check if the keys filled in the output correspond to the variables in the document. For example, if you have output, img gogoro, equals logo.png in your code, but the variable in the document is %img logo%, then it will result in undefined. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.